Ripple is quickly becoming one of the biggest players in the space to onboard all of the big banks, all of the big institutions, and almost everyone is asleep at the wheel while they are doing this. And they are doing this all with, of course, the XRP ledger and XRP at the heart of all of it. And we are going to be talking about it. So with that being said, welcome to the channel, everyone. My name is Nick. For those that are new to the channel, hopefully by the end of this video, you do become a subscriber. Let's dive on in real quick to this post here by Ripple. One-stop shop for business in crypto, tokenization, custody, stablecoins, payments. And what's crazy about this is that this is a US-based company. What does that tell you? Well, now that we are starting to lean into a pro-crypto admin, one that understands how crucial this technology is and how crucial it's going to be as well, I do believe that a lot of these US-based companies like Ripple that have everything under its belt are going to truly reap the rewards. Now, we also have here that the SVP of product at Ripple and also the president of Ripple, Monica Long, unveiled the latest product roadmap and the future direction of Ripple's offerings. And this was at Ripple Swell back in October. Now, I'm bringing this back up because, listen, they do have a one-stop shop for every single player that wants to tap into crypto. But this is also for institutions as well. And talking more so about that, if we go over here, right, this goes back to the beginning of October. Big shout to Smoke Dog for this. We have Ripple's custody and RWA technology targets a $16 trillion opportunity. Ripple has laid the groundwork for RWA tokenization. They have solidified its position in the RWA tokenization landscape. And custody for tokenized assets expands the use of XRP. There you literally have it, talking about how, as we look at tokenized assets, it's going to expand the use of XRP. The way that this works is that they do have custody for tokenized assets. When we incorporate XRP into the picture, right, now you have trading of tokenized assets, buying, selling, swapping. You even have DeFi opportunities around tokenized assets. Guys, this is going to be very bullish for XRP. And here we have the full-on announcement. Ripple unveils bank-grade crypto custody and RWA technology aiming for $16 trillion. I quickly wanted to interrupt the video to let you guys know that until the end of this month, that's right, until the end of November, you now have the opportunity to get access to the premium side of the Discord for 50% off. And the best part is that you could also claim your 7-day free trial and cancel before you even get charged to make sure that this is the Discord for you. But don't listen to me. There's over 16 5-star reviews right now from individuals of the Discord that have incredible things to say about the Discord and what is offered in there as well. But outside of this, what really makes this Discord worth anything is the information that you get access to. And if we actually look at that, you get access to my portfolio, a full breakdown of my portfolio in terms of percentage allocated. You also get access to the chart request, which I will chart any chart that you guys request in the Discord. I also cater exit plans to anything that you guys want. And also, you get access to investment strategies within the space, including the universal exit strategy that you could apply to any altcoin, any investment around crypto as well. But also, there is a complete exit plan for every single individual project that you guys request. And there's probably over like 60 exit plans within the Discord that you get access to. And you also get access to deep dives. You get access to the weekly breakdown every single week, giving you guys a breakdown of what's happening around the market. You also get access to crypto gems. And last but not least, of course, the crypto Roth IRA that allows you to take advantage of the Roth IRA around crypto for tax advantages. So if you guys do want to go check this out, there's going to be a link down in the description below, as well as a discount code that you guys can input to claim your 50% off discount until the end of this month. What are you guys waiting for? Go check it out. You won't be disappointed. Over here, we have the full breakdown of it, right? This is Monica Long believing that this will give Ripple a competitive edge in markets with low liquidity. Unlike XRP, the RLUSD stablecoin is not intended to compete, but to complement XRP, driving its adoption through decentralized finance and institutional investors. Standard custody, which Ripple acquired earlier this year, will manage the RLUSD reserves, ensuring stability and trust. Moreover, Ripple has laid the groundwork for RWA tokenization. And yes, they have. Listen, this is with a lot of their recent collaborations. They are, perfectly positioned to absolutely dominate the DeFi space, dominate the tokenization space, and even dominate the custody space of tokenization, which is a $10 trillion projected market by 2030. Now, also down here, we have Ripple and Artrix partnered to tokenize hundreds of millions of dollars in real world assets. And we could actually see the full breakdown of it. It solidified its position in the RWA tokenization landscape by expanding with this partnership. They will utilize the XRP Ledger's built-in tokenization features. XRP Ledger as a leading blockchain for institutional grade tokenization and decentralized finance services. It's also going to integrate with the AMM, the DID. Ripple aims to offer advanced functionality to financial institutions looking to tokenize assets. So they are literally onboarding these institutions, these big banks, into this space through the XRP Ledger and through XRP. Guys, if this doesn't make you bullish, I honestly don't know what will. And we have, of course, this partnership also aims to expand the use of XRP. Now, if we go over here, we actually have a big announcement from November 2nd, which was the XRP Ledger Oracle pricing amendment is live, now integrating Band Protocol and DIA data_org. The XRP Ledger's native oracles provide secure real-time data for key DeFi features like the AMM and lending protocols. This marks a major leap forward for institutional-grade DeFi, all on the Xrpl. And talking more so about some of the recent amendments, here we have big changes coming to the XRP Ledger. Here's your XRP report for the week. Ripple is introducing 3 proposals to enhance digital identity verification, create controlled transaction environments, and institutional adoption on the XRP Ledger. XLS 70D, revolutionizing on-chain credential management to simplify KYC, licensing, and accreditations, driving trust and transparency in DeFi. XLS 80D, introducing permission domains for secure regulated access, perfect for industries like finance and government. XLS 81D, building a compliance-first DEX, enabling institutions to trade digital assets while meeting AML and KYC standards. These proposals are set to transform how the XRP Ledger operates, paving the way for broader adoption and trust among institutions. And again, there you have the focus being on institutions. All of this is focused on institutions, the big banks, the big players, the big financial giants, because as we really look around us, right, everything of value will be tokenized. Now, also talking about some of these amendments, what about these, right? These are the other amendments as well. Big shout out to vet_x0 for this. The multi-purpose tokens. This is a new token standard for RWA tokenization. The AMM clawback. Again, this is for tokens with clawback like RLUSD, for an example, to be used in the AMM. This is very beneficial for institutions because they need to have this in place around regulations. It's something that is in place. We know this because of Franklin Templeton with Stellar. So this is going to be another green light for institutions. Credentials as well. This is extending the deposit authorization feature in Compliance First Amendment. And then, of course, we have the NF token mint offer, which is combining minting and offering creation of NFTs in one step. So, listen, we have so many big amendments coming to the XRP Ledger. It is being forged right now as an institutional network, essentially. This is going to be very, very bullish for XRP and holders of XRP as well. And also talking more so about this, check this out. This is with Jasmine Cooper, as well as Axelar. We have all the RWA conversations we have at Axelar are about which chain. It's like you don't have to choose, just issue on the XRP Ledger so you don't have siloed liquidity. The XRP Ledger is the hub for RWAs for Axelar. With their various tech stacks, RWAs will be issued on the XRP Ledger and then have ability to be held in all the connected chains wallets via the Super DEX model. Silo liquidity is killing blockchain. The XRP Ledger is here to fix that. Check this out.
XRP main ledger can talk to the EVM sidechain like seamlessly. It almost acts as a single unified environment, to your point, right? And then the sidechain now becomes this kind of a playground where you can go and kind of customize, deploy your own things, but we don't want to fragment users' experiences. We don't want to fragment liquidity, to your point, right? And so general message passing essentially is a primitive that would allow you to speak as you're in a single chain, but now you have another powerful backend that you can use and you can extend to the developers, right? So you can either deploy things at the consensus layer, like that are audited, that are robust once they're ready, or put them in a EVM smart contract layer. But the interoperability within them makes UX and DevX seamless, which is has been our goal for for the last few years. And I think it's really important that you guys are taking that approach, because I think fragmentation, if nothing else, is the biggest killer right now in the for both developer and users in the whole space. And like as we think about RWAs and getting them to the next phase, if we don't offer,
people need to feel like they're existing in one environment.
Yeah, I mean, exactly,
and not being torn apart by different chains.
Like all the RWA conversation that we have, it's like which chain, and like you don't have to choose, right? Like you go issue on Xrpl as your main chain, but you're not in silo, right?
And yeah, I mean, listen, this is exactly what allows the XRP ledger to be in its own lane. This is exactly what sets the XRP ledger apart from all the rest. I mean, I seriously don't understand how anyone could be a hater of XRP and the Xrpl. I don't understand how anyone can't look at the technology and say, yeah, this is next level. This is exactly why, as we look at institutions, the big players, jumping into this space, I do think that mass institutional adoption of the XRP ledger is going to happen. But don't take my word for it. Even over here, we have from RippleXDev. As a public blockchain, the XRP ledger is uniquely positioned to pave the way for mass institutional adoption. To learn more about how institutions can benefit from the features of public blockchains, read Marcus Inventor's latest commentary in CoinDesk. And this is all about fostering institutional DeFi adoption and transforming the global financial system. Now, to really kind of wrap this video up, I want to talk more about Marcus Inventor, because if we go here to August 22nd, this video is so crucial. Senior VP at Ripple Marcus Inventor explaining what is next for the XRP ledger in this upcoming bull cycle. Bringing more RWA and parts of the traditional financial world on-chain, Ripple is currently using blockchain technology today that is compliant with existing regulations. We want to capture a portion of the quadrillion dollars in financial markets on chain. Regulation is moving crypto from the hype cycle to a utility cycle. Quadrillions, utility, RWA, tokenization. While many are distracted by the noise in crypto, the serious players in this market are positioning themselves for success in this new paradigm shift. A shift where hype narratives are completely ignored and only utility and solving real-world problems are in the spotlight. This is why it is essential to do the proper research now to prepare for this. And yes, this is crucial. Listen, if we're talking about a portion of quadrillions, guys, a quadrillion dollars, okay, 1% of that would absolutely change this entire space. We're not even just talking about XRP being, well over $10+, $50, $100. We're talking about the entire crypto. This is why I keep telling you guys, we have such a massive opportunity in front of us. It's so easy to get blinded by the short term. But guys, this is going to be an absolute massive opportunity. We have it right in front of us. All you have to do is look, research, prepare. But check this video out. Remember, this is a Ripple employee.
Yes.
Okay, and so
also, I do apologize. I hope that they don't mute this video on YouTube. There is music in the background, so I do apologize if they do mute this.
what's the focus right now, given that we're entering a new bull cycle and we're still, halfway through this year? Like, what are the priorities that XRP Ledger has?
Yes, so I would say XRP Ledger has really been built for business, built for powering real-world financial use cases. First and foremost, starting with payments. But now what we're seeing is really for use cases to expand beyond that. You see a lot of RWA tokenization use cases, and just really like, a tool and core infrastructure to bring more of the financial world or financial activity we see in the real world on chain, to remove frictions, build efficiencies, create values for us all, frankly.
So what do you think needs to happen? Like, what other challenges do we need to overcome to get to that point where everyone's more financially included?
Yeah, so there's a couple of pieces that still need to fall in place, I would say, on the regulatory front. And look, we've demonstrated with Ripple that you can use blockchain technology today in a way that's compatible with compliance frameworks, and we're doing that, as said before, in the billions of dollars every year in terms of doing payments way at a fraction of the cost and the time than in legacy systems. So it's possible, right? I think if we want to enlarge and see more, like there's over $1 quadrillion of financial assets off-chain. And, you know, if you want to see, I don't know, 10% of that coming on-chain, we have like maybe 150 billion in terms of stablecoin so far. Yeah, regulation, I would say, is a key piece in terms of surveys we're doing for more of TradFi to come on-chain, but that's now starting to really fall more in place. Think of MiCA in Europe or Singapore or UAE, where you see frameworks really emerging. And so I do expect that we're really at the start of a paradigm shift whereby blockchain technology is really going beyond much of the hype and really into utility and powering financial activity much more going forward.
Okay, so
And yeah, I mean, listen, I don't think you guys realize how big some of these markets are. A large portion of the general public doesn't even realize how much money is out there in the world. And to have a lot of this starting to flow on chain already, and we see the XRP ledger being forged into an institutional ledger, essentially. Do you guys realize how bullish this is? Do you realize how big the XRP ledger and XRP will be in a year from now? I'm just being very conservative here. Just a year from now. In 5 years, people are not even going to be talking about the price of XRP because it's not even going to be a concern. At that point in time, those that were early, aka us, we will already have, planned ahead. We will be extremely happy with where we are at because things are going to happen so fast. I keep telling you guys, the first trillion on chain, the next 9 trillion follows very quickly to 10. And from that point on, it's just a big snowball effect. So with that being said, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, definitely leave a like, subscribe, turn notifications on because of more free content. You guys are more than welcome to follow me on Twitter and join the free Discord down in the description below. And with that being said, guys, it's been Nick. Thanks for watching. Peace out.